Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Trading with Nimve. Today, we are going to backtest the Scalper 3EA with some different settings for the second time. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Recalling our previous testing session, we achieved exceptional results worth remembering. In case you missed our previous video, you can find the link to view it in the description or simply click on the provided link above. In order to optimize performance, we will be implementing some adjustments to the settings. Taking into account the insights gained from our previous testing session, we have decided to make changes to the trailing start profit, which was set at $2.40, and the trailing stop, which was set at 40 cents. With those setting, we have obtained a remarkable profit of $135.09. In today's session, we will be utilizing a trailing start profit of $10 and a trailing stop of $2, while maintaining all other settings consistent with our previous test. These adjustments aim to explore the impact of these specific values on our trading performance, providing valuable insights into the profitability and reliability of our strategy. Now, let's commence the test and eagerly await the final results, where we will compare and analyze the outcomes. Join us on this thrilling journey as we uncover the potential impact of our adjustments and gain a comprehensive understanding of the performance achieved. Stay tuned for the exciting conclusion, where we will assess and compare the results obtained. have successfully completed the backtesting phase for the designated period. Now, we are ready to unveil the insights and outcomes derived from this thorough evaluation. Now, it's time to delve into the final results and meticulously examine the outcomes we have obtained. Brace yourself for an in-depth analysis that will shed light on the performance and effectiveness of our expert advisor. The total profit achieved amounts to an impressive $167.73, showcasing the success and profitability of our trading endeavors. Of utmost importance, we must highlight the maximum drawdown of $112.92, which accounts for a mere 10.73% of the overall account balance. This signifies the robustness and resilience of our trading approach, with a limited impact on the account's overall performance during challenging market conditions. The modeling quality achieved stands at an impressive 90.00%, attesting to the accuracy and reliability of our testing process. This high modeling quality ensures that our results are based on sound data and provide a solid foundation for evaluating the performance of our trading strategy. Now, it's time to compare these results with our previous backtesting sessions, allowing us to gain valuable insights into the performance and effectiveness of our trading strategy over time. By comparing these findings, we can gauge the progress and potential improvements achieved, ultimately refining our approach and maximizing our trading success. Now, let's compare the two sets of results side by side. In comparison to our previous testing, we achieved a profit of $167.73, surpassing the previous result of $135.09. This signifies a gain of $32.64 due to the changes we made. Additionally, the profit factor has increased from 7.13 to an impressive 9.58. This indicates a significant improvement in the relationship between gains and losses, reflecting a more favorable risk-to-reward ratio. Maintaining a consistent level of accuracy, the modeling quality remains unchanged at a reliable 90%. This indicates that our testing process continues to produce accurate and dependable results, ensuring the reliability of our analysis and conclusions. Maximal drawdown has doubled to $112.92 from $55.04 with the new changes implemented. Stay tuned for our next video where we address this increase and explore potential solutions for risk management. In our next video, we'll make modifications to this EA and monitor its performance. Join us as we optimize our strategy and aim for better results. Stay tuned for insightful updates on the evolution of this EA. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, Trading with Nimve, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until the next video, stay hopeful.